This is the story of two friends, Mr. Boon and Mr. Goon. See what happens one day when they meet. Two friends, Mr. Boon and Mr. Goon, who cannot hear very well, setting a street. Mr. Boon is going to the market with a bag. He sees Mr. Goon. Mr. Boon says,
"How are you, Mr. Goon?"
Mr. Goon says,
"Oh, Mr. Boon, how are you? What are you saying? Cows are few?"
"Where are the cows?"
Mr. Boon shouting.
"I did not say cows are few. I said, how are you?"
Mr. Goon says,
"I am fine. But why are you shouting in my ear? Where are you taking this bag?"
Mr. Boon says,
"I am going to the market to buy some rice."
Mr. Goon says,
"Mice? Why do you want mice in your house? They will nibble at everything."
Mr. Boon says,
"I said rice, not mice."
Mr. Goon says,
"Oh, ice? You are going to buy ice?"
Mr. Boon says, getting angry.
"Mr. Goon, please excuse me. I must go now. I have to go to the market."
Mr. Goon says,
"What? You have to bring a basket? Now, why do you need a basket?"
Mr. Boon says,
"Oh my God, I am going."
starts running. Mr. Goon says,
"Mr. Boon, please wait."
They both run out.